Curious about the dashboard indicators and cluster display in the 2026 GMC Canyon? But how do these symbols enhance your time on the road? This guide will explain everything you need to know. Interior view. The 2026 GMC Canyon's dashboard is defined by sleek, soft-touch materials surrounding a driver-focused digital cockpit. The instrument cluster of the 2026 GMC Canyon features a customizable digital display up to 11 inches, providing vehicle information. The LCD screen serves as the central hub for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings with responsive display. 2026 GMC Canyon uses a modern electronic gear shifter that's ergonomically designed for easy reach and smooth shifting. The 2026 GMC Canyon's climate control system offers intuitive dual-zone automatic temperature settings. Steering wheel is leather-wrapped with integrated controls for audio, phone, and driver assistance features. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators: driver seat belt reminder light, front passenger seat belt reminder light, airbag readiness light, charging system light, malfunction indicator light, brake system warning light, electric parking brake light, service electric parking brake light, anti-lock brake system warning light, four-wheel drive light, hill descent control light, lane keep assist light, automatic emergency braking AEB disabled light, vehicle ahead indicator light, pedestrian ahead indicator, traction off light, electronic stability control light, electronic stability control off light, engine coolant temperature warning light, driver mode control light, tire pressure light, engine oil pressure light, low fuel warning light, auto stop indicator, security light, high beam on light, automatic high beam light, lights on reminder, cruise control light, adaptive cruise control light, door eyesore light, passenger airbag status indicator. Safety precautions: know your symbols, immediate attention, don't ignore flashing symbols, stop driving for red warning lights, check manual for unknown symbols, regular maintenance, cluster awareness, don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols, use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.